All right, so this is my portfolio that I made for Spanish. So, as you can see, it's my name, in Gringo, because I am a gringo. So, um, so I start off by putting down my thoughts on Spanish. This was from the assignment that was due a couple weeks ago. I added that there. Just kind of talking about some skills I gained and what I've thought about the class so far. And then here's my personal reflection that was part of this most recent assignment for the final. Just kind of talking about what I thought throughout the semester on taking Spanish on Zoom, and what I thought about completing assignments, and how my skills either increased or decreased over the course of the semester as well. And I have a photo of myself, so me and my friends, and then me and one of my friends there. And then here are some samples of my work so far. So I have my translation of a recipe, some conversation starters, conjugations, days of the week, months, and different seasons of the year, and temperatures to go with those months. Little story there. And then, so I have a link to my Padlet that I made recently. And then I have some helpful things on how to, for closings on like letters, go there. The link to my Spanish lesson that I recorded a couple weeks ago. And then my story that I made about me trying to learn how to ride a bike. Then on my About Me page is where I have a picture of me holding a baby, which it's not my baby, but it's a very cute baby, and then a little description of myself there. So making this this portfolio, I thought was kind of fun to showcase the different work that I've done throughout the course of this semester. It was kind of fun putting it all together and finding what photos I wanted and what I wanted to have in it. I did think, though, that I guess I don't know how useful it will be for me after the class, mostly because I don't know how often I'll be using Spanish here on out. But that being said, I don't know if I will use it or not, but I at least have this to reference if I ever get in a situation where I want to go back and reference things or find different links I have to different works that I've done. So yeah, that is my portfolio, so my thoughts on it. And yeah, at the end of the day, I had a great time this semester. Thought building the portfolio was fun. It was a little challenging at first though, just because I'm not great with technology. But I figured it out and had a good time, and I kind of made it my own. So yeah, thank you so much.